We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the shit I can't remember. Organizer, Logbook and Notebook for Passwords, and Shit by Phil D. Organizers. This product has become quite popular, boasting over 10,000 ratings with an average score of 4.7 out of 5 stars, indicating a strong positive reception among users. In this review, I will provide an expert overview of what people like and dislike about this notebook, its features, usability, and overall value. The Shit I Can't Remember notebook is essentially a physical organizer designed to help users keep track of important information such as passwords, usernames, phone numbers, addresses, and other bits of daily life that tend to slip the mind. Its title alone captures the humorous and relatable frustration many people face with remembering such details. This book is a paperback with 100 pages, measuring 6 by 9 inches, making it a compact and portable option for jotting down vital information. One of the most praised aspects of this organizer is its straightforward and no-nonsense approach. Users appreciate that it is not a complicated planner or digital app, but a simple, lined notebook with plenty of space to write down whatever you need. The cover is noted for its humorous and eye-catching design, which makes it a great gift, especially for family members or friends who are prone to forgetfulness. Several reviewers mentioned buying it as a funny yet practical Christmas or birthday gift for their older relatives who experience occasional memory lapses. Functionally, the notebook serves its purpose well. It provides ample line pages for notes, and some users have enhanced its usability by adding alphabetical tabs to organize entries like passwords and logins. This customization makes it easier to find information quickly. The book's size and weight are convenient for carrying around or keeping in a drawer or bag, so you always have your important information close at hand. However, it is important to note that this product is not a digital organizer or planner with specialized features. It does not include any password protection or encryption, so users need to be mindful of where they store it to maintain privacy and security. Some users humorously pointed out the irony that while the book helps remember passwords, one might forget where the book itself is kept. This is a valid concern for anyone using a physical logbook for sensitive information. Another point raised by some users is that the notebook is essentially a plain notepad beyond the cover's clever title. It lacks pre-printed sections or prompts that some might expect from an organizer or logbook. This simplicity can be a positive or negative depending on the user's preference. Those looking for a minimalist, flexible space to write will find it ideal, while others wanting structured templates might find it lacking. The quality of the book is generally regarded as good. The paper is sufficient for regular pen or pencil use without excessive bleed-through, and the binding holds up well with normal handling. The compact design and lightweight nature make it easy to use daily without adding bulk. Overall, users find the Shit I Can't Remember notebook to be a practical and amusing solution for managing everyday information that often gets forgotten. It is especially popular among older adults who experience occasional memory slips, but it can be useful for anyone wanting a simple, physical place to log passwords and other details. The humor in the title and cover adds a lighthearted touch that makes it a fun gift option. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your experience can provide valuable insights for potential buyers. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports our channel. In conclusion, the Shit I Can't Remember organizer, logbook, and notebook for passwords and shit is a straightforward, no-frills notebook that serves as a handy tool for organizing important information. It is not a digital or high-tech solution, but rather a tangible, easy-to-use book with a humorous twist. Its strengths lie in its simplicity, portability, and the fun factor of its design. Its limitations include the lack of security features and structured organization. For those who prefer a physical logbook and want a lighthearted approach to remembering passwords and other details, this product is a solid choice.